Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a matter which is related to the freezing of bank accounts when a search is conducted on the assessee under section 132. There is a provision that whenever the search is made, the revenue can do the freezing of the bank accounts of the assessee so that funds cannot be taken out from those accounts. But there is section 132 subsection 8a which says that whenever the freezing of the accounts is done, then after 60 days the revenue cannot maintain the seizure or the freezing of that bank accounts and the freezing should be uplifted. But it is a very common practice that when the search is made and even if the assessee makes several requests for the defreezing of the bank accounts, the officers do not take any heed to defreeze those accounts, due to which the assessee has to suffer as a loss to the business, because until and unless the accounts will be operated, the assessee cannot do his business. This issue has been taken by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of Pooja Trading Company, Rama Trading Company versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Investigation and another. And this case is reported in 467 ITR at page number 226. In the present case, there was a search on the assessee, the accounts were freezed, and after the lapse of the 60 days, the assessee made a repeated request before the Deputy Commissioner that according to section 132 subsection 8a, my account should be defreezed. But those accounts were not defreezed, so the assessee has no option left other than going to the Honorable Delhi High Court, because the jurisdiction of the assessee was Delhi High Court. When this matter was heard by the court said that in the present case, the 60 days period has already expired before filing the writ petition by the assessee. There is no further order passed by the department for extending the freezing of the bank accounts, and the revenue has abjectly failed to establish any justification or has failed to give any cogent explanation to sustain the freezer of the bank accounts. So the Delhi High Court was of the considered view that the perpetuation of the freezing of the bank accounts was unsustainable and beholds the provisions of the Income Tax Act. The court said that in the present case, there is no justification for continuing freezing of the bank accounts. The court was also of the opinion that in the present case, the assessing officer has yet to initiate any action referable to section 147, which may have the effect of attaching the bank accounts under section 281B, that is for the provisional attachment of the assets. But since the revenue has not initiated any proceedings for the assessment also, so in the present case, as per the facts and circumstances of the case, the freezing of the bank accounts is not justified. So friends, in this case, the Delhi High Court gave the relief to the assessee, but it is a very painful exercise for the assessee that for even the small matters, the assessee has to rush to the high courts. The courts are already burdened with various cases. So in these type of matters, there should be clear guidelines of the Central Board of Direct Taxes that after 60 days, if the accounts will not be freezed for a further period by further orders, so in that case there should be automatic defreezing of the bank account so that the assessee will be in a position to do his business. But this is very painful for the assessee that in spite of making several requests for whether it is a matter of defreezing of bank accounts or for the refunds of bank accounts or for giving the appeal effects. So for small matters, the officers of the department behave in a very lazy manner, due to which the assessee has to suffer a lot and the business has to suffer. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Pooja Trading Company, Rama Trading Company versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax Investigation and another. and this case is reported in 467 ITR at page number 226, and the date of the judgment is 8th May 2024. Thank you, friends.